How to use the filters with the table. This is a slider. We can actually slide to the left and allow for us to see who is not doing well in the class and adjust on who is doing well in the class based on the total course grade. It can slide to the right where we can see who is doing the best in the class. We can slide it to the left to see who's actually in the murky middle. Notice how the table on the left changes as we adjust the slider. Next to the slider in the right-hand corner, there is this little filter with an X. We can click on this X and have it erased. Whatever we have just filtered now is gone. Filters correspond with the table on the left. The table on the left is sorted by the CSUN ID. I don't know my student's CSUN ID, so I will change it to student's name. You can arrange the table by sorting by any of these features listed in this sort by. In addition, you can sort by going to the top of the table, clicking on this little arrow that is going down, and adjusting the sorting here. I'm going to keep this sorted on sort by student name.